Hello everyone, and welcome back to EarthlyRoots Wellness. In today's episode, we're diving into the exciting world of limes. These small fruits offer huge potential in terms of health benefits. Stay with us as we reveal the hidden wonders of these tangy treasures, proving they're not just for garnishing your drinks. Before we dive into today's topic, let's take a step back in time. Limes are thought to originate from Southeast Asia or Indonesia. These citrus wonders traveled the world through Arab traders to the Mediterranean, then by Spanish explorers to the New World. In the 19th century, British sailors were given lime juice to prevent scurvy, earning them the nickname limeys. From ancient remedies to sailors' rations, limes have been a global staple, intertwining with cultures and cuisines worldwide. Let's extract some facts. An average lime, weighing about 67 grams, is a powerhouse of nutrition. It contains about 20 calories, 7 grams of carbohydrates, a hint of protein, and 1.9 grams of fiber. But that's not all. It's packed with vitamin C, covering about 22% of your daily needs, in addition to other essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and potassium. Why should limes be a staple in your diet? First off, their high vitamin C content is a major boon for your immune system, warding off those pesky colds. But the magic doesn't stop there. The antioxidants in limes, such as flavonoids, combat free radicals, reducing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. Moreover, the citric acid in limes can prevent kidney stones by increasing urinary citrate levels and help boost iron absorption, which is particularly beneficial for those at risk of iron deficiency anemia. But limes aren't just about internal health. They're also your skin's best friend. Thanks to their vitamin C, limes promote collagen production, keeping your skin vibrant and youthful. Additionally, they could reduce your risk of heart disease by improving blood pressure and arterial health. Furthermore, the properties of limes can be beneficial in beauty routines, such as in homemade masks. Although it is important to exercise caution, as direct application of lime juice on the skin can increase sensitivity to UV rays, leading to sunburn or skin irritations. However, it's not all sunshine and limes. While limes are beneficial for most, they can trigger allergies or acid reflux in some. And remember, their acidity can affect your tooth enamel, so always rinse your mouth after indulging in dishes or drinks rich in limes. Now, let's bring limes into the kitchen. These fruits are not just for garnishing. They're stars in their own right. Add them to your beverages, salads, and seafood for that extra zest. Or how about some homemade key lime pie or refreshing limeade? In culinary practices, lime zest and juice enhance the flavors of both savory and sweet dishes, offering a balance to the richness of meats or the sweetness of desserts. In some parts of the world, like India, limes are pickled, extending their shelf life and adding a unique flavor to the local cuisine. They are particularly valued for their juice and the floral aroma of their zest, making them a staple ingredient in many world cuisines, including Southeast Asian, Mexican, and Indian cuisines. Beyond cooking, limes have several other practical uses. Due to their high acidity and antimicrobial properties, they can be used as a natural cleaning agent, helping to remove stains and neutralize odors. Mixing lime juice with vinegar and water creates a non-toxic surface spray for a clean, fresh-smelling home. But the best part? You are not just cleaning, you're infusing your home with a fresh citrus scent. Before concluding, remember that moderation is key. Enjoy the various benefits and uses of limes, but always balance your diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables to maximize benefits and reduce risks associated with high consumption of any food. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed diving into the world of limes with us, click like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, keep shining brightly.